Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate Amazon affiliate link. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Amazon affiliate and you need to click on amazon.com associate central. Then you need to go on to the product section. From here you need to select any product. So I'm going to select this watch for example. So once you are here, so wait for a few seconds. So on the top you can see Amazon Associates site strip. So you simply need to, here you can see get link. You simply need to click on text and you need to copy that link and you can share that link anywhere. So this is the process how you can generate Amazon affiliate link. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.